Thank you very much for visiting ARASCA at Airport Show 2023. We are presenting here pre-hospital equipment starting from isolation and transportation chamber. This chamber is to transport safely person who is in infectious disease or transferring or transporting the patient that we want to keep him away from the infection. It has two functionalities. It can work as a negative pressure isolation chamber, and it can work also as positive pressure. Coming to emergency evacuation, you will need kind of first aid kit that helps you to take to the patient and give a treatment, starting from the life secure trauma bag. This bag, it carry even the body weight, even I can stand on. So it gives, a patient can sit, you can open it and do the treatment. Next to that, we have a different kind of first aid kit. One is a compact small travel kit that you can take it with anyone, individual, or we have a wall-mounted first aid kit which is glow in the dark. It has a contents, it has a bracket to be fixed on the wall, and the most important is the defibrillator. This is Philips heart start defibrillator. This device has a function to save a life, and it is simple as coming with smart link. Is to monitor the device, and the device have only steps of 1, 2, 3 to give a shock and save life. It comes with the smart pads. These pads will check the person require a shock or not, otherwise it will advise either to give a shock or to continue in the CPR. Going forward, we have this very important product also for airlines and for high noisy areas, that air muff or air plugs that to protect from the noise and effect of the noise. Here is Mr. Barikins. This is actual weight mannequin. What is the benefit? That most of the rescue or evacuation or fire warden teams that they want to get trained on actual mannequin is not like getting a training on a normal body weight. When they go for evacuation, if they faced or they find out there is a person with this much weight, if they are trained on actual mannequin, it will be more easy. Coming inside, we have different type of eye wash station. This eye wash station, it will help cleaning eyes in an emergency, either chemical hazard, whatever. For evacuation as well, we have a different type of evacuation. We have different type of evacuation chairs and emergency bag, along with the evacuation mattress. What is important of that? In some cases, you will not be able to use the chair, or the person is unconscious and laying on the ground. You want to drag him. So this mattress has a protection, and you can drag him on the stairs safely to downstairs. Thank you so much.